once every 15 days calls for this dish of mine that I just allow to play around with and create unique new flavors. Chicken in a tray, or my famed and gorgeous tray-baked chicken, is a simple creation that came about with lazy cooking being redefined. All you need to do is pair it with some vegetable that's seasonal, that's new, use a stone fruit and create magic. Let's get to creating it. Creating this version of my famed tray-baked chicken calls for a seasonal vegetable that's particularly unique and one of my famed favorites. It's these gorgeous fennel bulbs. The very licoricey and aniseed flavor just goes to accentuating the chicken with some plums. With a kg 200 grams of chicken legs and thighs nestled on a baking tray, I'm just going to roughly cut these fennel bulbs because I want them to have that sharp and pronounced flavor. So go as random and just enjoy the scent that it brings to your entire kitchen. While cutting them, ensure maximum surface area is exposed so that the flavor of the aniseed just goes right into this gorgeous creation. I love the scent that this bulbs bring. Though quite fibrous, they just work really well along with the chicken. Roughly scatter this on top, and the purpose of this dish is to get maximum flavor into each other without overworking yourself. Just scatter this and allow it to flavor the entire creation. Some chipotle peppers going in next, just cut into half, and those who know me know I'm obsessed with these gorgeous, unsharped yet beautiful peppers. So 4 of them, just cut them into half and they go right on top. Six cloves of garlic finely sliced, giving you the most beautiful of elongated flakes, going to scent this gorgeous creation. Go as thin as possible, but ensure that all the flavors are well combined. Here I've got these beautiful plums that I've just squatted and removed out the pit, and this is going to give out all those really piquant, sweet and tart flavors, pairing with the fennel and scenting this gorgeous creation. So just nestle them in between and allow them to give out their sheer oozy goodness. It's extremely important to season now because you want the flavors of all these 3 sharp components to infuse with each other, and that only happens when you have a generous sprinkling of some Himalayan pink salt. So just go overboard and allow it to mix. Give everything a quick mix and a stir, and it's ready to go into the oven, but not forgetting a trick and a hack that we are going to add into it. So some freshly milled pepper on top, and we just give it a quick mix now. Just allow the seasoning to marry into the entire creation. Go as liberal as you can handle, don't go overboard, but at the same time, just ensure everything is mixed perfectly well. Now is the time to add some citric or tart element just to enhance the flavor and allow everything to just marry into each other. While technically you can add some white wine or some white wine vinegar, here I'm using a Japanese sushi vinegar and I'm just drizzling it because I love the flavor that it brings to this creation. It actually works perfectly well along with the plums. So about 20 ml to 30 ml just drizzled and allowing everything to bathe in its glory with some olive oil. So about 30 ml of olive oil drizzled on top. And the scents are by far sharp, pronounced and slightly unique. And we're just going to get everything together with a fine sprinkle of some Parmesan cheese. So just go overboard. And Parmesan cheese acts as a blanket, allowing all the flavors to merge with each other and not burn at the same time. So just give it a good sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, about 20 to 30 grams of grated Parmesan on top. A fine sprinkle of some finely chopped flat leaf parsley. And this is ready to go bang into a preheated oven. So beautiful to look at, right? This is such a simple yet stylish dish to create because the colors just overpower the flavor, the taste, and make everything perfect to enjoy just with a French baguette. The beautiful color that the plums stain the chicken along with the Parmesan cheese is truly unique and perfect for a winter meal. So this goes bang into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for just about 40 minutes till it gets that crunch yet juicy within. The plums give out their juices sweet and tart in nature. Pairing along with the sushi vinegar and the olive oil is a subtle liquidy gravy that's great to mop up any bread or baguette, which is a perfect combination to this starry wonder. The colors of the fennel, the plum and the chicken with that final dabble of Parmesan on top is truly mesmerizing and a perfect meal to enjoy either for lunch or for dinner. Chicken in a tray or tray baked chicken should be served just how it is called and in the tray straight on the table. A fine sprinkle of some flat leaf parsley on top and you're good to enjoy a very satisfying yet decadent meal. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeously warm and winter inviting tray baked chicken. The flavors of the plum, the sushi vinegar and the olive oil just subtly pair with the Parmesan, giving it a truly decadent spread. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. And if you are really keen on getting more of these food hacks, don't forget to subscribe.